Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you love woodworking, rustic designs, and creative home decor, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of creative scrap wood crafts, a space where imagination meets sustainability, and leftover wood gets a brand new life. Most of us who work on woodworking or DIY projects always end up with those little scraps of wood, too small for big furniture, but too beautiful to throw away. Instead of leaving them to collect dust or tossing them aside, we can turn these forgotten pieces into unique, charming, and practical DIY creations that add beauty and personality to any space. Scrap wood carries stories within its grains, knots, and imperfections, and when you learn to see its potential, you unlock an endless world of creativity. Scrap wood crafts are not just about saving money, they are about making something meaningful, resourceful, and eco-friendly. In a world where sustainability is becoming more important every day, choosing to reuse and upcycle wood scraps is a small yet powerful step toward reducing waste. Each little project not only saves wood from going to waste, but also adds rustic charm and warmth to your living spaces. Imagine walking into your home and spotting a candle holder made from a leftover piece of oak, or a small wooden tray that used to be nothing more than a scrap lying in the corner of your workshop. These little touches bring both beauty and a sense of accomplishment because they are things you crafted with your own hands. One of the most exciting aspects of working with scrap wood is that the projects don't have to be complicated. Even beginners can make something truly stunning. A small block of wood can be sanded and polished into a phone holder. A few narrow strips of wood can become a rustic wall art piece or a stylish wooden sign. Leftover pallet slats can be repurposed into shelves, planters, or picture frames. Each craft allows you to add your personal style, whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look, a modern minimalist vibe, or a cozy boho aesthetic. And let's not forget the gift potential. Scrap wood crafts make thoughtful, handmade presents for family and friends. A personalized wooden key holder, a handcrafted photo frame, or even a rustic jewelry box made from scrap wood carries far more meaning than something bought off a shelf. It shows thought, effort, and care, qualities that make the gift priceless. Now, before we go further, here's a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more creative woodworking and decor ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our daily inspirations. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to bring you more exciting DIY projects. Let's dive even deeper into the beauty of scrap wood. Think about a simple project like coasters. Small square or round pieces of scrap wood can be sanded, stained, and sealed to create rustic coasters that not only protect your tables, but also add style to your living room. You could even personalize them with wood burning or stenciling. Another great project is making small plant stands or holders, perfect for indoor plants, especially if you love greenery around your home. A scrap wood riser can elevate your favorite potted plant and turn it into a statement piece. Scrap wood can also become functional everyday items. For example, you can turn leftover boards into cutting boards, serving trays, or even kitchen utensil organizers. If you have slightly larger pieces, consider making shoe racks, wall-mounted shelves, or mini side tables. And don't worry if your scrap wood comes in different shapes and sizes. Sometimes the irregularity itself becomes part of the design, giving your piece a natural and organic look that can't be replicated with store-bought items. Beyond functionality, scrap wood is a fantastic medium for artistic expression. Many people create abstract wall art from random cut-offs by arranging them in geometric patterns, staining them in different shades, and framing the piece. Others use scrap wood to carve small decorative items such as hearts, stars, or animal shapes. Even a bundle of old wood scraps tied together with rope can become a rustic decorative centerpiece for your coffee table. Another powerful reason to embrace scrap wood crafting is the sense of relaxation and creativity it brings. Working with your hands, sanding, shaping, painting, and finishing wood has a therapeutic effect. It allows you to slow down, disconnect from screens, and enjoy the process of creating something tangible. In fact, many woodworkers say that scrap projects are some of their favorites because there's less pressure. You're not working on a big, expensive project, just experimenting and having fun with leftovers. This freedom often leads to some of the most creative results. Of course, there's also the profit potential. If you enjoy selling handmade crafts, scrap wood projects can be a fantastic avenue. Since you're working with leftover materials, the cost is minimal, yet the final products can be highly appealing in local markets, craft fairs, or online platforms like Etsy. Items such as rustic wall art, wooden signs, candle holders, and small shelves are always in demand. People love the charm of wood, and knowing that it's made from repurposed scraps adds to its appeal. Think about how satisfying it is to see a once-forgotten piece of wood gain a second life as a stylish home decor item. That little offcut you once considered trash can become someone's favorite piece of art, centerpiece, or household accessory. It's the beauty of transformation, a process that's not only creative, but also environmentally responsible. As you explore scrap wood crafts, remember that imperfection is beauty. Knots, cracks, uneven edges, all these flaws add character to your creation. Instead of hiding them, embrace them as part of the design. This is what makes handmade crafts so special compared to mass-produced items. Each piece has its own uniqueness, and no two projects will ever look exactly alike. So, whether you're a beginner just picking up woodworking or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, let scrap wood be your playground. Start small. Maybe with a set of coasters, a rustic key holder, or a mini planter. As you grow more confident, move on to larger creations like shelves, wall decor, or even small furniture. The key is to let your creativity guide you, to look at every scrap and imagine what it could become rather than what it was. Now, as we come to the end of this video, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of scrap wood crafts inspire you the most? Do you enjoy making functional items like trays and organizers? Or do you lean toward decorative pieces like wall art and candle holders? Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. Your creativity might just inspire someone else in this amazing community of DIY lovers. And before you go, don't forget, if you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post new decor and woodworking ideas. Together, we can turn simple scraps into timeless treasures and keep creating beauty from what others might throw away. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every little piece of wood has a story to tell. It's up to you to shape it into something truly special. See you in the next video on Kuki Decor.